It's really good, really creamy, really rich. Hi guys, I haven't got much time for dinner, but I still want something delicious and something that tastes really good. So I'm going to use some very basic ingredients that I always keep in my fridge to make a beautiful pasta. Right, I've got some boiling water here, which I'm going to salt. Always salt your water and place it in my pasta. Which pasta shall I use today? I'm going to use some fusilli or penne. And just go straight in with your penne. Right, like I said, this is a super quick dish. As soon as the pasta's boiled, the dish is pretty much ready to be prepared. I've just got some frozen peas here, which I'm going to throw in with my pasta so they cook at the same time. So pasta and peas in the boiling water. Once they're done, we're ready to go. Right, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes. Our pasta's been cooked and drained. I've left a little bit of our starchy water still in the bottom of the pan here, so that can amalgamate into our sauce. Now this couldn't be more simple, so I'm going to go straight in with our cream cheese. So I've got this beautiful creamy cheese with like herbs and garlic already in there, so all the hard work's basically done for me. That's just going to go straight in, followed by my tuna. So I'm just going to make sure this sauce amalgamates firstly and just get it in there. Okay, I'm just going to make sure that each piece of pasta is coated with that beautiful cream cheese, and it just smells divine. That cream cheese has done like basically taken out all of the hard work. It smells buttery, it smells creamy, you can smell the herbs, it's garlicky, immense. Okay, so that's all kind of like infused in the sauce. Now let's go in with our tuna. So our protein today is tuna. So this is just a normal bog standard can of tuna. And I'm going to throw in some spring onions. And these are going in for crunch. Beautiful. Some fresh cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to cut these in halves. Beautiful. And then give everything a good hit of salt. Now the cream cheese is quite salty, so you don't have to add too much. And a good whack of pepper, and give this a good stir. Who said 15-minute meals have to be boring, you know? Nice, quick, easy, nutritious, packed full of flavour, immense. Right, and lastly, I just want some fresh herbs in there. So I've got some of this lovely basil from my garden, of course. So I'm just going to take 1 or 2 leaves for garnish. And the others I'm going to put together with some mint from my garden as well, and mint goes great with peas. So I'm just going to bring all these together. Right, and just before we finish, just a little bit of indulgency. Even though it's a 15-minute meal and it's a midweek meal, doesn't mean we can't have a beautiful sprinkling of Parmesan, because you know, why not? Right, this looks ready to be plated up. Right, let's get stuck in and just finish with a dusting of pepper, another hit of fresh Parmesan, beautiful, and just garnish with a few leaves of fresh basil. And there you have it. That is my perfect 15-minute, quick, easy, midweek tuna pasta in a garlic herb cream cheese sauce. Beautiful, stunning. Right, let's get stuck in. Beautiful. It's really good, really creamy, really rich. It's a bit of a cheat really, because all the hard work and all the flavors coming from that cream cheese. Really good. Listen, this is a really nice way to eat midweek when you're really busy. You don't want to go to Uber Eats. You don't want to order a pizza. Make something like this. It's 15 minutes. That's not just delicious. That's absolutely effing delicious. So good.